What's up, guys? So today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Flexispot E7 standing desk with the chipboard top. So stay tuned. As you can see, the holes don't really line up too well. I can't see the hole in that one. I can just see the holes at the end. It's hard to see the holes with this rubber piece in there. But I just find that, just measure the edge. 2 1/4. We're at 2 1/4. pretty close. This is the table fully assembled, and it fits perfectly right here in this space. Let's see. Ooh, that's real smooth. And it's nice because I have this molding right here, and it looks like it's gonna clear it just fine. Oh yeah, that's really smooth. Wow. So it goes to 49.4 inches, plus with the tabletop's another inch. That thing is super tall. A lot taller than what I need it for. I'll probably right here. 43.4 is a good standing height for me. So eventually a 3D printer will go here. I'm not sure if it's gonna go here or here yet, but this is real nice. So if I need to pick it up, do any cleaning or anything underneath the table, and then if I need to work on a 3D printer, I can drop this table real low. So this thing's 23.8 inches, and with the tabletop, you're pretty much at 25 inches. So if I do need to work on a 3D printer, I can get in it, mess around with it. Yeah, this is gonna be super dope. So we're gonna test this bad boy out. I'm about 215 pounds, and this table says it can lift about 330, or hold about 330, no problem. So let's see if these motors are any good. It works flawlessly. That's amazing. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good right here. Motors are working flawlessly, no hesitation. And it goes up just as fast without me on it. So over here, you can set your ideal heights. So let's say I want to set it at 33. I'll click this and I'll click 1. Now let's say I want to go to my standing height. Let's say is right here. Click that. I can click 2. And it'll automatically go right to that height. And then you have this one. This will go to my standing height. And it also has these over here where you can set it for sitting and standing. So let's try that. Let's say this will be standing. Let's go up a little more. Let's set that to 2. So we go right to our standing height, and then we'll say our seating height, our sitting height. Let's say right here. And then we could do the lowest possible height on 1. So that's super nice, super smooth. And the motors aren't loud. I mean, it's what you would expect from something like this. And everything moves real nice. There's no vibration. All these tubes seem to be, they seem to have a tight tolerance. And overall, this thing has a nice construction. The box was heavy for the frame itself. And the frame is really good. I like it. I can't complain with it. I was a little hesitant with the with this type of top. I believe it's a chipboard top, but it is 1 inch and it is really solid. I was gonna use the MDF top, but I didn't have the size that I wanted. And this one's a 5 foot wide by 24 inch deep, and I gotta say, I really do like it. So this is the E7 desk with the PC and the monitor. I've been using it for about a week, and it's been really nice. What's the best feature I think so far is that this has a lock. And I bumped it once or twice, but if you have kids, they will get to this. My kids have touched it a few times already, and it hasn't changed the height, hasn't moved or anything, and they haven't figured out how to disarm it. So I'm happy about that feature. And the next thing I have to do is I have to get a chair. So I've been rocking this party chair over here. So if you guys have any advice or input on what chair to get, that'll be extremely helpful. What I will primarily be using the PC for is for obviously editing these videos and Fusion 360, so I can 3D model my own parts for the 3D printer and just print my own files. So stay tuned for those videos on using Fusion 360 and for creating your own files for 3D printing. This is the first time I've built a PC, and I gotta say, this thing came out really sweet. It was stressful building it, doing it the first time, but I think if I had to do it again, it'd go a lot smoother and faster. But I'm really happy with it. All right guys, if you liked the video, comment, like, subscribe. I'll catch you guys next time.